Hi, welcome to Electronics Hub. Let us see the project of metal detection robot. So metal detectors were used in many applications in order to detect the metals present in the ground and in order to detect the landmines also. So let us see the components used in this project. 8051 development board, RF decoder, RF encoder, L293D, robot and metal detector. You can see here, this is RF encoder. Whenever these 4 buttons were pressed, data is transferred to the encoder IC, which is encoded and is transmitted by this RF transmitter. This is the decoder. This receives the data and the received data is applied to the decoder. The data is decoded by this IC. This is given to the controller through these pins. This is the metal detector. You can see these are 3 pins outside. So this is the output pin, this is VCC and this is ground. Whenever this metal detector detects the metal, it becomes active low. So now let us see the connections. So the decoder IC outputs are connected to port 2 of the microcontroller, and the port 1 pins are connected to L293D inputs, while the outputs of L293D are in turn connected to the motors of the robot, and these are the supply pins. And this metal detector will have 3 pins, so out of which one is the output and remaining 2 are VCC and ground. So the output pin is connected to port 3.2 of the microcontroller. Now the setup has to be placed on this robot. This is the final setup of metal detection robot. Now let us see its working. So I am going to control the robot using these 4 buttons. In order to move the robot in 4 directions, that is forward, backward, left and right, I am going to use these 4 buttons here. Now let us see this. When I press this button, robot will move forward, and when this button is pressed, it moves backward. When this is pressed, it moves towards its right. When this is pressed, it moves towards its left. So now let us see what happens if it detects any metal in its path. So this is a metal detector, you can see here, and this is the metal in its path. So I am going to move the robot now. So when the metal is detected, it automatically stops there. So now let us see this again. You can see whenever the metal is detected, the robot stops there. This is how the metal detector robot works. Thank you.